In this video, I'll show you how to boot Windows 10 with a USB. Before doing anything, please make sure that you have a USB drive that is at least 8 GB in capacity. It is also preferable the USB drive doesn't already have files on it. Once you have the USB drive, plug it into your PC. Now, head to your browser and type in download Windows 10 and click on the first link. Click on the download now button and click on the installer. Accept the license terms. And now make sure you click on the second option that says create installation media and click on next. Here you can change the edition, Windows 10, Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, the architecture of the PC you're downloading Windows on, so 32 or 64-bit, and the language. I'll click on use the recommended options for this PC and click on next. Make sure the USB flash drive is selected and click on next. Here, you need to click on the right drive on the USB drive. For me, that is the Tevion, and click on next. Now just wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading and verifying the files, click on Finish. That's it, you have successfully installed Windows 10 on a USB drive. From here, plug the USB into your new PC, go through the installation process, and install Windows 10 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.